All right, so here's the bridge, after the bridge, the Hawaiian part. So it's mouth out, coming over slowly, and then kekeki, and then same thing out. So your hands are out. So in, out, then from there to here, forward, then right hand, tap, open, tap, open, then from mouth, out, cross, open, and then from here, out, here, out, and then we go into amene. Amene, we come down slowly, then here, here, then kaholo. Men will just go like this. Women, we're gonna go right, open, right, right, open. So first one is left, right. Then from here, hand up here, and then your right hand is gonna tap the bottom. So you're just gonna tap the side, and then you're gonna tie. So tap, tie. That's 2 times, and then we end here. And you'll see it in the video. So those are just the breakdowns of the hand movements for the hula part at the end. And we're not moving, we're just standing still, signing the hands.